Back vocals by Troy. Love that bell right there. That was a Nephi top note so far. Oh my gosh. Sarap sa tenga. F sharp 5. Oh dang, the runs. Hello guys, hello Philippines, Southeast Asia, fans of Troy Laureta and Katrina Velarde. Everyone, thank you so much for being here. Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here though, my name is Nephi, band vocalist and YouTube reactor. Today, you know the drill. We will be reacting to this collaboration of Katrina and Troy. We already witnessed how Troy has collaborated with some other singers like Morissette and many others. But right now, it's Katrina's turn, and she's going to sing this very challenging song, Coming Out of the Rain. Not an original by Shireen, but Shireen's version is really popular in the Philippines. So now we'll be able to witness and see how Troy Laureta and Katrina Velarde will put another fire to this song. I mean, like, recreate this and make it their own version. So without further ado, guys, let's go check this out. Live, oh my gosh, sitting down, Katrina and the piano and Troy. Oh, I like the sound of the microphone. Love her diction. So pretty, Katrina. Together happily. Low note, heard that. After all the wrong I've done, you feel that I'm still the one to give you love into. Nice, love it. So bring it home to you. Love the flip. You told me that you love me if I'd ever change. Welcome into your arms again. Oh my God! Run right there. I love her soft, leafy tones. Troy is so pleased with him. Happiness and joy you bring when you call my name. Come on in out of the rain. I love her runs. They're so clean. Yes, and she's sitting down. Take note, guys.
But I stray. I know I made you blue. You spoke into my very soul. You warmed my heart that once was cold. Now I'm so glad to know.
Back vocals by Troy. Love that bell right there. That was a Nephi top note so far. Love the run, friend. Love the back vocals. Lalaki yung back vocals. Changed it. Let's go for the kill. Let's go bridge.
Some people spend a lifetime looking for
all those details. She had it.
And I had love right here all of the time. Why did I try to deny it?
Oh my gosh.
I just couldn't find it. You turned my life around. The love I lost is found. So let the right God down.
Oh, really? How to? Sarap sa tenga! F sharp 5. Oh, dang, the runs. G5 right there. Runs. Nice head tone right there. Oh!
Baby, come out
Sariling version niya.
of the rain.
Look at Troy. I had goosebumps! That was so tasteful, Katrina. You can just see Troy's expression. Damn. He was so pleased. Somebody like Troy being so amazed means something. Ganun ka powerful, ganun ka mautak na singer si Katrina Velarde, ganun ka skillful. And I so love that they collaborated live to, and like the way she's sitting down, nakaganon, yung nakadi-4, ang hirap nun. Katrina, anong problema mo, be? Masyadong madali yung kanta para sa'yo. I just love Katrina Velarde, the way she's so passionate about her singing and her craft, and it shows in every video that you see her sing. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That was my reaction. If you got more videos of Katrina that you guys want me to watch, just let me know in the comment section. You can also send me your messages and requests via Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Patreon, TikTok. They're all at the description box right down below. And if you like this video reaction, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe because it will mean a lot to me, guys. Thank you all so much, and I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye.